Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok. So restricted mode basically limits the type of content that may be sensitive for some communities or for some people on TikTok. In this video I'm going to show you how you can disable that restricted mode so that you can see everything without limitation. So first you need to click your profile on the bottom right corner. Then you need to tap the three lines on the top right corner, click settings and privacy. You just need to scroll down to content preferences. So here you can see restricted mode. You tap that and you just need to click turn off. And you just need to give the passcode you used to give, and basically the restricted mode is going to be turned off. Also, if you don't remember your passcode, you can just click change passcode and forget passcode, and you can use your phone number or email address to verify that it's you, and you can just change your passcode and then just switch off the restricted mode. Alright, so all in all, this is how to remove or disable restricted mode on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.